Designing a wash basin area involves selecting the right type of basin and complementing it with suitable vanity, mirrors, lighting, and finishes to match the room's aesthetic. The key is to balance functionality with style, whether in a compact bathroom or a prominent dining area. A modern wash basin with a cabinet design combines a stylish aesthetic with practical storage, using elements like floating vanities, integrated mirror cabinets, sleek materials, and space-saving layouts. To achieve a modern look, consider a floating vanity for an open feel, a wall-mounted design with a spacious countertop, or a corner unit for small spaces. The best wash basin design depends on its location, bathroom, or dining area, and available space. For a dining area or hall, the design often needs to blend seamlessly with the decor and may feature decorative elements or unique finishes. For a bathroom, functionality and maximizing counter space for toiletries are key. Small areas benefit from space-saving designs like wall-mounted or corner basins, while larger spaces can accommodate vanities with cabinets for storage. Choose a basin shape and material that complements your overall interior design. Different types of wash basin designs are countertop wash basin, wall-mounted wash basin, pedestal basin, under-counter basin, semi-recessed style wash basin and corner wash basin. Countertop wash basins sit entirely or partially on top of a counter or vanity unit, offering a bold design statement and a luxurious, spa-like feel. A countertop basin, also known as a vessel or tabletop wash basin. They come in various shapes and materials, including ceramic, glass, and natural stone. Wall-mounted wash basins ideal for compact bathrooms. These basins are fixed directly to the wall, freeing up floor space and creating a clean, minimalist look. Plumbing is often concealed within the wall for a streamlined appearance. Wall-hung wash basins are available in various shapes and sizes. Pedestal wash basins is a classic choice where the basin is supported by a full or half pedestal that extends to the floor, concealing the plumbing. This design offers a timeless elegance suitable for both traditional and modern decor. Pedestal wash basins come in two main variations: full pedestal wash basins and semi-pedestal wash basins. Full pedestal wash basins are floor-mounted and offer a traditional, regal look. The pedestal extends all the way to the floor, fully hiding all plumbing and fittings. Semi-pedestal basins are wall-hung with a shorter pedestal that does not reach the floor, creating an illusion of more open space and making floor cleaning easier. Under-counter wash basins are installed beneath the surface of a countertop, resulting in a smooth, seamless finish that is easy to clean and offers uninterrupted counter space. They are often paired with natural stone or solid surface counters for a premium look. Semi-recessed wash basins. The front portion of the basin juts out from the vanity or countertop, while the rear is set in. This design is practical for narrow counters as it provides a larger basin without requiring a deep vanity unit. The semi-recessed wash basin is the epitome of modern elegance, masterfully blending the functionality of under-counter basins with the aesthetic appeal of countertop models. It gracefully nestles into the countertop, with the front part of the basin elegantly extending outward, creating a striking visual element. Beyond their aesthetic allure, these basins are designed for easy cleaning and maintenance, providing a chic yet practical solution for any bathroom setting. This innovative design maximizes counter space, making it an ideal choice for compact bathrooms or those wanting additional space for toiletries and accessories. Corner basins are practical, space-saving solution designed to fit snugly into unused corners, making them perfect for small bathrooms, powder rooms, or utility areas. Offering storage and functionality, cabinet-type basins feature an attached cabinet to organize toiletries. This design adds an extra layer of practicality while enhancing the bathroom's overall look. With various materials and finishes available, they provide immense flexibility. Selecting the perfect wash basin is about balancing utility and style. Modern luxury bathroom fittings offer endless options in design, shape, and material, allowing you to craft a space that reflects your personality. Consider the following factors: size of the bathroom, material, shape and design, functionality and installation. For spacious bathrooms, large statement pieces can make a bold impression. In smaller spaces, opt for compact designs like corner or wall-mounted basins to avoid overpowering the room. Wash basins come in a variety of materials, from ceramic and porcelain to glass and stone. Each has its advantages, so choose a material that complements your bathroom style and suits your maintenance preferences. The shape and design should align with your bathroom's theme. For example, contemporary spaces may benefit from integrated pedestal designs, while rustic or traditional bathrooms might pair well with over-the-counter basins. Consider your daily habits and the needs of users. For instance, a cabinet-type basin is ideal if you require additional storage, while a spacious single basin with ample counter space is great for multi-user households. Determine whether you prefer a basin installed over a vanity or counter, mounted on the wall, or integrated seamlessly into your furnishings. Consider available space, faucet types, and plumbing requirements when making your choice. Choosing the right washbasin design is key to redefining your bathroom's aesthetic and functionality. Modern options cater to diverse tastes and requirements, encompassing styles from elegant table-type wash basins to space-saving corner-type wash basins, allowing you to create a space that's both stylish and practical. A wash basin cabinet, also known as a bathroom vanity, is a furniture unit that combines a sink with integrated storage space underneath. They are excellent for maximizing storage, hiding plumbing, and enhancing the aesthetic of your bathroom and dining room. Wash basin cabinet materials include water-resistant plywood, like BWP or HDHMR, solid wood, MDF, PVC, and stainless steel. The best choice depends on factors like budget, durability, and water resistance, with options like HDHMR plywood and PVC being excellent for humid bathroom environments. Wash basin cabinets come in a variety of colors, ranging from timeless neutrals to bold, modern statement shades. Trending options include grey, navy blue, wood tones, and earthy creams, which can be selected to complement the overall bathroom size and style. Lighter shades reflect light and make small spaces feel bigger, while darker hues work best in spacious areas to add depth. Ensure your cabinet color complements your wall tiles, flooring, and existing hardware taps and handles to create a harmonious design. White and beige are generally easy to keep clean, while dark, matte finishes may show soap scum or water mineral deposits more easily. The mirror is a crucial element of any wash basin design area, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. The right choice helps define the space's overall look and feel. Options include round, square, or rectangular mirrors, sometimes with integrated LED lighting or a decorative frame that matches the basin's style. When selecting a mirror, consider factors such as the size of the vanity area, the height of users, and the desired style to ensure it perfectly matches your needs. Use stylish tiles for the wall behind the basin to create a focal point, protect the wall from splashes, and add texture or color to the area. Proper lighting in the wash basin area is indeed crucial for both function and mood. Consider wall sconces or overhead fixtures that provide adequate task lighting for grooming, and potentially ambient lighting to enhance the mood. Let's watch the different types of wash basin design ideas. Please watch the entire video. The choice of wash basins can significantly impact the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your bathroom and dining room wash area. From the classic elegance of pedestals to the modern sophistication of tabletop wash basins and semi-recessed options, each type offers its unique advantages. Modern hand wash area design focuses on clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and integration of smart technology for a sleek, functional space. Key design elements often include wall-mounted or floating vanities, integrated basins, and touchless fixtures to maximize space and enhance hygiene.